Do you like strawberry cheesecake? Because if you do, you might want to watch this video. Tis strawberry season. Let's make some strawberry cheesecake. 1.5 cups of graham crackers into a bowl. This is going to be for your crust. One tablespoon of granulated sugar. I lied, it's 2 tablespoons. Okay. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Oh boy. You're gonna need a springform pan. I don't know what I'm choking on. You're gonna need a springform pan for this. 5 tablespoons of melted butter. Give this a mix, and then we're going to pat it down into your springform pan. Our crust is done. Let's do the filling. 1/2 cup of sour cream into your bowl. I also have 3 bricks of cream cheese. Each one of these is about 250 grams, so roughly about 750 grams of cream cheese. You make it a little bit smaller if you don't have quite 3 bricks. Anything close to that amount. Man, my fingers are wet. I can't get this last one open. Okay. Obviously, let this sit out on the counter for a bit. It's gonna make beating this much easier. 1 cup of granulated sugar, 3 eggs, and then we're just gonna mix this all together. Then once I'm done mixing, we're gonna start with the topping for our cheesecake. Oh no, I got a shell in there. Got it. Crisis averted. I forgot to mention 1 teaspoon of vanilla before you whip this. And this is the consistency that you're looking for. Nice and smooth, no lumpy bumpies. We're gonna pour this right over top of our graham cracker crust. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees, and we're gonna bake this for 45 to 50 minutes. Once I've got this in the oven, then I'm gonna start on the topping, the strawberry topping. So I'm just gonna smooth this all around, try to make it as even as I can. I have to say, 2 things that I'm really good at doing, not like I'm trying to brag or anything, but 2 things that I'm really good at doing: cookies and cheesecakes. And actually, I have never made a strawberry cheesecake before, so we're all doing this together for the first time. Okay, that looks halfway decent. I'm gonna pop this in the oven, 325 for 45 to 50 minutes. For our topping, you're gonna want 2.5 cups of strawberries, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of butter, and I'm gonna wait a little bit to put the cornstarch in, but it's gonna be 1.5 tablespoons. You want to be stirring this constantly. The strawberries are eventually gonna start to break down once the heat really gets to them. Oh, also I forgot, where's my, hold on a second, lemon juice. It's not even gonna work on there because the butter. It's about 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice. And also I forgot 2 tablespoons of water. There. Now we start stirring this bad boy. Whoops. Let's get butter in there. Okay, this has been on here for probably 2 minutes now. I'm gonna add the cornstarch. This is just gonna help thicken it. Here she is out of the oven. This ended up taking way longer than 45 to 50 minutes. This ended up cooking at 325 for an hour and a half, but there's no jiggle. This has been sitting out cooling, and this is what my strawberry, well, I thought I almost spilled that, filling looks like. I'm gonna put this on top. And I'm not in a super big rush to eat this, so I'm gonna try it. That's good. I'm just going to cover this all over the top and just plop it back in the oven and just let it all set together. Then we're gonna try it. I'm excited. It's all done. It looks pretty awesome. I don't know. Let's cut into this. Yeah. It's been a minute since I've had a cheesecake. Oh no, I just got it all over my shirt. Here we go. Moment of truth. Cheers. Oh my god. Absolutely perfect.